Hey guys, I'm Yusuf with the Collectiv crew, and today I'll be going over Teams templates in Microsoft Teams. Now, if you've ever wondered, what's the best way to get started with a team, with the structure, how to set it up, what kind of channels you should add, you're going to love this new feature by Microsoft Teams, which are Teams templates. This gives you a starting structure of how you can set up a team with different various use cases that are already set up as templates, as well as you can create your own custom Teams template so that your teams can use a similar structure and reuse it every time without having to start from scratch each time a team is created. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start showing you guys the Teams templates on how you can get started and then how to create your own. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just jump right in. Alright, so in Microsoft Teams, whenever I am creating a new team, all I have to do is click the join or create a team. When I go ahead and select create team, I'll now see these new options for selecting from a template. And like I said, these are various different use cases which will really help you get started if you're unsure on what's the best way to structure a team. So let's say if I'm onboarding Office 365 to my company and I want to create a team to help track all the tasks and everything that goes on with the adoption process of Office 365. I can go ahead and click that, and what I'll see is a quick description of what this is for, the channel structure of the channels that will be created, and the apps in use. And so what's great is a lot of times people are kind of curious, like what is the best way to set up my teams and how many channels should I create and which app should I use? And so this is a really great starting point to get an idea. And so I can see those here and I can just easily hit start. I can make it public or private, so I'll make it public. And I'll call this Microsoft 365 Adoption Team. And create. So our team has now been added, and the next window that prompts is for you to add different members. You can skip that for now, which I'm going to do, and now I can go ahead and see that I have my Microsoft 365 Adoption Team general channel, the other channels that were created, which I can update to show them. By default, these ones have been selected to be hidden, but you can go ahead and show them. And now I can see that I have a calendar channel, announcements, general, Champions Corner, Teams Forum. And this is just really great because, like I said, when you're first getting to Teams, it's always really hard to figure out the best structure for your use case. And so this is a really great way to get you started. I already had the tab set up for the wiki, for your file section, which is there by default, the posts. And so this is how you can get started, but then start thinking about how can you make this work for your specific use cases. So if I jump to the Microsoft Teams admin dashboard, so you do have to be a Teams admin in order to have access to this. But in the Teams admin center, I can go to Teams and then Teams templates. And so that Adopt Office 365 template I just used, I can see that's here along with the other templates I have in the tenant by default that's already created for you. I can select this and hit edit. So let's say I just want to tweak maybe how some of the channels are set up or the tabs. I can do that here, so I can see here are my channels, here are the apps that are used. I can go ahead and add a new channel, I can edit, delete. And so what's great is I have that ability to customize it the way I need it. So let's say if I want to go ahead and hit add, I can go ahead and add a template. And what I can do here is start from a brand new template. I can use an existing Teams template, or I can use an existing team. So if I've already set up a team, the way I really like, let's say for project management, it's for a project that I want to manage and I've set it up with specific tabs and channels, all of that. I can go ahead and select use an existing team as a template, select that and create it. So then every time users go into Microsoft Teams and they create a team, they'll see that as an option as a template. So like I said, super easy. It's really great if, like I said, you're new to Microsoft Teams, you're trying to get an idea, you can go ahead and look at the different templates and get an idea of the breakout of the channels and the tabs used and the various apps. So much you can do here, and I hope this is helpful for you guys. And I think, like I said, I've said it several times, it's a really great way to get started and really plan out the structure of your team so that you're not creating teams with a bunch of channels and tabs you may not use, so that you're truly utilizing all the capabilities of Teams and structuring it in the most useful way for you and making it easily accessible to your users to recreate those teams using templates so that your business can run more streamlined and unified across the board with all users. I hope this helped. Don't forget to follow us, the Collectiv team, on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, to stay up to date with all our Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power Platform, all the great stuff for videos and tips. And I'll talk to you guys soon.